Hello guys, I don't have name, and in today's video I'm going to show you where to find all 4 distractions.
In a miserable way.
The distractions are an important part of the game because if you want to collect every one of these cars, for getting this Nissan you need to complete all 4 distractions. So let's take a look at them. The first one, and probably the easiest to spot, is the distraction number 1 that is located just next to spawn in the park. Now let's move to the off-road where the distraction number 2 is located. So here, right next to the lake, we have the distraction number 2. Now let's continue to the airport where the remaining 2 distractions are located. Now when we are on the airport, we need to get on the top of the parking slot that is right now in the front of us. I will use the life hack that I discovered and that is mentioned in one of my videos. The link on that will be in the description. Right now we are standing on the distraction number 3. Now there is just one remaining and it's located on the end of the airport. So let's get there. From now on you can see it, the distraction number 4. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video and if the tutorial helped you at all, don't forget to leave the like button down there and see you guys in the next video. Bye!